If you're trying to run statistical tests, you need the Data Analysis button. This is an add-in that's already built into Excel, but it's off by default. So go ahead and click File, scroll all the way down to Options, and then you're going to want to click Add-ins. Make sure that the Manage says Excel add-ins and not COM add-ins, and go ahead and click Go. And you want this first option, which is the Analysis Toolpak. Click OK, and then when we go to our Data tab, we'll see that Data Analysis is added over here on the very far right side. So to make sure this works, let's go ahead and test it out on our column A here. Go ahead and click Data Analysis, and we'll just do some basic descriptive statistics and our input range numbers here. And we'll go ahead and click Summary Statistics and let it output into a new sheet. Click OK, and it looks like it's working. We have our summary stats here, so you should be good to go.